Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up split applications on your iPad, as well as how you can use the slide over function for multitasking. So let's say I wanted to open up the music application, and to set up a split application situation, we're going to drag up from the bottom, and in our dock we're going to select the app that we want to split to. So let's say we wanted YouTube, we hold on the icon, drag it over to the side of the screen that we want it to split to. So now we have music on the left and YouTube on the right, and they are in their split configuration. If you wanted to adjust the size of this split, you're just going to take this middle bar area and drag it to how you want the split to show up. So let's say we wanted YouTube to be a bit bigger. And if you wanted to exit out of split mode, all you have to do is drag this middle split area all the way off to the side. And for instance, that would make it so that just YouTube showed up in this instance. And if you wanted to get back into split mode again, you can just drag up from the bottom. And let's say we wanted to split over to Safari. So we're going to hold on that. And then we're going to drag it over to the side that we want it to split to. And now we're set up split mode between Safari and YouTube. And now I'm going to show you how to use the slide over functionality. And you can use slide over on top of a split application, or you can also just use it on top of one application if you wanted to do that. But let's say we wanted to have our music in slide over. So we're going to hold on to it. And we're just going to drop it right here in the middle of the screen. And then that's going to give us this slide over on top of a split screen. And you can move this around by just holding the top area and dragging it to either side. And you can also actually take this and have it take over one of the other split applications by just hovering it and dropping it over that particular side of the split. And let's open this up again. So let's say we wanted YouTube to be our slide over application. And then let's say, for instance, we wanted one of these applications to take up the entire screen. So let's say our slide over application we wanted to do this for. So we would take that top area and then we would just drag it over and then up to the top. And then it would take up the whole screen. Now going back to our home screen, if we wanted to open up to see all of the applications that we currently had opened up, just drag up with a big swipe from the bottom of the screen, and that shows us that split screen that we had, as well as YouTube all by itself. Just click on what you wanted to open up. And again, to get rid of this split screen, all you have to do is drag it all the way off to the side, and then you're going to be back in a single page mode. So that's how you go about setting up split screen on an iPad, as well as how to use the slide over app functionality. It's a great way to multitask on your iPad. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.